Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before opportunity to say goodbye to expensive platforms like ThemeForest, StudioPress, Envato, Code Canyon, Elementor, etc. once and for all, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So, if you're willing to say a final adieu to the old, ugly, and outdated WordPress themes available, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting Themes Ninja, a brand new technology to create and sell 100,000 plus stunning, professional, and ultra-fast loading business WordPress themes with private label rights using most reliable OpenAI technology without any coding skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, click. Number 3, download and profit. And that's it. You're all set to create attention-grabbing sales pages, websites, etc. for yourself and your clients with no prior skills ever. Themes Ninja comes loaded with tons of benefits, like create more than 100,000 WordPress themes with your own name and brand to sell them anywhere. 100% white label themes that you can sell anywhere in just a click. Use tons of beautifully designed themes to build virtually any type of marketing website in just a few clicks. Entice maximum audience using millions of icons, designs, text font, and styles. Choose from different navigation bars, headers, footer posts, and images. Easily customize any elements using WordPress Editor. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Use Themes Ninja to create industry-leading websites for affiliate marketers, email marketers, SaaS owners, digital product sellers, video marketers, coaches/trainers, e-com store owners, small business owners. Take my word, if you're tired of going nowhere and want to take complete control of your business, then Themes Ninja is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed up by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's fair warning, Themes Ninja will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get Themes Ninja for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.